Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into the afternoon review, I thought I would see if the YouTube crowd, which I believe is the primary venue for this content, felt like being a little bit more interactive between either liking the video or commenting on it. I wanted to see what your take was. Let's just consider that we are totally flat Apple. Currently, the markets are closed. It's Thursday afternoon. It's the first trading day of June. And Apple is closed at basically 180. So I do these reviews with you on Thursdays. And let's just take a moment and let me know, what would you do with Apple here? And I'm talking about a 1 week horizon. So from this Thursday into next, do you sell Apple or do you buy it? And I'm curious to see what, your thoughts on this are. Now, with that being said, let me give you my perception of it, which is interesting because I have been gunning for a target at 180 for some time. So as Apple pushes up into 180, and we can see that that target is accomplished, you can also use it off of Fibonacci proportions. Or if we look at swing high to swing low, extensions of that move, right? Moves tend to terminate at extensions of previous swings. So there are ways that Apple could fail from here. But are you really going to short it against that way of thinking when what might really be going on is a step back over here to your monthly chart and acknowledging that the best price that Apple has ever traded for, now of course split adjusted, right? But I'm talking about at its current levels, 182.94 is the lifetime high. So, I guess on Friday there is always a way that it fails at 180. Maybe it needs to pin that strike, what have you. But in the bigger picture, this is where Apple is really reaching out to try and grab. And then above that, it's honestly anyone's guess. If you have followed these videos, back when we saw the shift in the momentum of that monthly histogram is when I started cueing you into Apple being bullish. Now we're just starting to see more fulfillment of that signal and what I think could be a really important day for this stock tomorrow. And then, of course, we know the implications for the market as well. So let me know what you're thinking about it. Let me know what you would do with it from 180. And then we'll check in on these ideas again next Thursday and see where we stand. So y'all have a great Friday, and I hope to see you in the next update. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. And if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.